Hey guys, this is Jay. We are working on the text mining playlist with Spacey. In this video we are going to go beyond the basics, try, explore, implement some real world use cases with the text mining. One of the use cases like text summarization, have some huge amount of text. Maybe we are selecting the same Sachin Tendulkar Wikipedia text as part of this particular exercise, but in a real world scenario, imagine you are doing some kind of weblog analytics where you are doing some web scraping and getting a lot of information. Assume it is some 1,000 pages, and you can't manually go through it and try to get the insights, right? Maybe your first 10 pages may be having a different context, maybe the second 10 pages may be having a different context. So how do you get the summarized information from your text, right? So that's what we are trying to experiment here. So for that we have used 4 variations. One is your GenSim summarizer package, which comes as part of your GenSim pre-trained deep neural network package, and we are using that summarize submodule as part of your GenSim package. And the implementation is pretty simple, where you pass the original text to the object, and you decide what is the number of words from the original text that you need to get in your output summarized version. I have tried multiple options, 100, 200 and 300 words. So let's go ahead and execute it. Yep, you get the results. So the first one with 100 words, maybe it is not considering more than 100 for that maybe, but your second is 200. That also exactly works as like your 100 words. But the third one, it has close to I think more than 300 words. So this is a pre-trained or the inbuilt capability to try and do some summarizing functionality from your original text, which helps you to get some insights about a very the crux of the data is what it try and bring in. And let's go ahead and see the another implementation with the help of LexRank Summarizer. And this is part of SUMY package, and you have to import your LexRank Summarizer module as part of your SUMY package. And implementation is also pretty simple. You have to get couple of additional packages like plain text parser and tokenizers. We are not using Spacey here, so you need to use the variants that is compatible with your SUMY package. And just parse that original text as part of the plain text parser, and use your LexRank Summarizer object and parse your document and select the number of documents. So let's execute, and you do get 10 different set of contexts, and you can control this number. Maybe try to get the information with just 2 documents. You could see only 2 set of documents, and you could get some very high level information about what this text is all about. And let's move on, and there is one more variant is called LUHN Summarizer. That is also part of your SUMY package, and it is a similar implementation like what we have seen. Let's execute it. We get kind of a slightly different information as the summarized data than the previous implementation. So it depends upon your text, right? Every algorithm is different, and the way it is implemented is totally different than the other. So it depends upon your data, and you have to try and opt with multiple variations of the summarizers, and pick the best one that is more suitable for your nature of the text or whatever the reason it could be. So we have one more variation called LSA Summarizer, and this is also part of your SUMY package. Let's execute it, and I have selected my number of documents as 3, and we do get that information. So pretty much this is it for the short video, and please like, subscribe, share to your friends, and we'll come up with more interesting contents like this in the next set of videos. Thank you.